Okay, everybody, I am going to show you how to create an SEO page for your farm so you have you can get better SEO on your website. So first thing you want to do is go to Community, click Add Page, and then for just for this I'm going to put Example. Okay, the title page, Add Page, then Edit Content. Now on the Edit Content, you can just start typing whatever you want. You should put in the hospitals, where the closest hospitals are, the CCNRs for the HOA, where the closest parks are, where everything is going on in the neighborhood, the closest mall, all that stuff. So you want to have about 10 or 15 different things where you think people are going to search on the internet for this different area. Okay, so we're just going to assume that this is example, and we'll call example a city or whatever it is. Okay, so we're going to type a bunch of stuff in there, and then we're going to scroll to the bottom and hit submit. Now, if I want to add a picture to this, I go to Site Builder, and then Collections, Image Library, and I go to Personal, and let's say I want to use this photo. So you can add any photos you want, pull those up. Let's say I want to use this one, which is my dog, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right-click, Copy Image Location, and then I'm going to go back to Content, Pages, scroll down because I added it into the community, and then here's my example page. Edit the page. Okay, let's say I want the photo to go right here. I'm going to right click, Insert Image. The source is what I copied, that was the location. You always want to put an image description in there so Google can see what it is. You can change the size of it if you want, and then click OK. And there's my dog. Now, if I want to do a hyperlink, I just highlight the photo, right? And then I do the insert link. And then let's say I wanted to go to my coachwithpaul.com page, give it a title, right? Because Google is going to search this. Okay, and then target, we always want to open up in a new window and then hit OK. Okay, so it's telling me it's an external link. I want to hit that. All right, and then I'd submit it. Okay, so that created the page. Now this page does not need to show. It can say hide hidden on there. I'm going to go back up, okay, to Site Builder, SEO, Community, okay, and then I'm going to do Example, right, I'm going to call it Example because that's the name of our city, right? Now I'm going to click the page that I want it to go to is the community page in Example. So this will link the data to this for this particular page. And then the zip code, I'm just going to do Cascade Locks just because I don't think there's going to be an example on there. So I click Cascade Locks. Now for my meta tags, I'm going to put, this is the title, so example, right, Washington, and then I'm going to put in there homes for sale because Google is going to search this title and that you want that stuff to pop up. So then in here you want to put this is the best page to look for homes for sale or rentals in example Washington. And then my meta tags are going to be rentals, rent, or for sale, example, Washington, right? You could do Puget Sound. You can do King County. So anything that you think people are going to search here, you're going to want to put in there. So you also want to put, I think, Frank, and then whatever your name is, right? And then just click Update. Hit OK. Now you want this page to show on your pages. So Site Builder, Pages. Go down to Communities. Example, it shows. Now this is in the Properties. I don't want it to be in Properties, so let's just move it. So I click Edit, and then I go to Communities. It just makes it easier to keep everything in one spot. Alright. Now if I view my website, you can see under the Communities, here's examples. If I click on it, there's the content, and then everything under that is what's going on. So all the data for that particular neighborhood. All right. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.